Hey everyone, my name is Priyanka Sagu and I'll be the host for today's meeting. We are in week 12. Today is our Wednesday daily burn down meeting. This meeting abides by the Kubernetes CNCF code of conduct, which pretty much comes down to please be nice and excellent to each other. A friendly note, this meeting is being recorded and the recording will be posted on the Kubernetes public YouTube channel. So if you don't want to be recorded, please feel free to turn off your cameras and audio. Thank you. With that, let's move ahead to the open discussion. Anyone has any items for open discussion? If not, I can take a minute to discuss the retrospective document. We have our second end of the release cycle retrospective schedule for December 7th. So the document is linked in our agenda document for the retrospective call agenda. If you have any items, please feel free to add them to the document, and also please join on December 7 if that is possible for you. Otherwise, we can go over your items. Thank you. If nothing else, let's move to the team updates, enhancements with Sriram.
Hey everyone, so we don't have much updates after the code freeze. So we have, so Nina has made a list of all the work that is remaining, and she has divided it into both like documentation related changes with the updates that can be made to the handbook, as well as other process related changes like automation rules for scraping kept.yaml and so on. And I believe Nina is in the call. Yeah. Nina,
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm in the process of adding that to the retro doc. So we're just getting all the feedback from the release and all the handbook changes we want to make, and that's going to go in the retro doc.
Yeah, thank you. Nina shared a brief about a lot of work that's enhancement team is going to work on this cycle and next cycle. So thank you for creating the list. Any questions for enhancements team? If not, thank you for the updates. Moving to CI signal with Bakoshu.
The current status of CI signal is green, and we have a feeder today about the master verify, and is fixed by that. And also we have some known flicks, and we have confirmed that those are not blockers. That's all.
Priyanka, I think you are mute.
Oh, okay. I was just thanking. First, thank you, Carol, for pointing me, and I was thanking the CI signal team for doing all the work that they have been doing with creating the flake issues. And yeah, we had a lot of them. So thank you for all your work. And we have a successful release cut, RC0 cut today because of all your work. So thank you. Any questions for CI signal? If not, moving ahead to bug triage with eGate.
Hi everyone, the status is green. We only have one issue and one PR, which is a critical urgent one, but it's about to be merged and it's related to the publishing bot for 129. So we are all good.
Thank you. Thank you, eGate. Any questions for bug triage? If not, moving to docs with Tanya.
Hello everyone, our current status is yellow, and the updates are that our team reminded cap owners for the deadline of docs merge that is of 28th of November, and currently we have 17 PRs that are unmerged, and mostly that PRs we are currently reviewing, and SIG docs leadership has been contacted regarding the building reference docs. That's it.
Thank you. I just want to understand, is there any help we need? Just trying to understand the yellow status. Um,
The yellow status is because the new guidelines for determining what the status is for docs indicate that if we have less than 80% of PRs merged 1 week before the deadline, the status is yellow, and we have 77% of them merged.
okay.
So
Okay. Yeah.
it's technically yellow, but we're not actually concerned.
Yeah. Yeah. I would like yellow there, so that we know what we need to do. But yeah, thank you for the clarification there.
Yeah.
And thank you, Tanya, for the updates. Any questions for Docs team? If not, moving ahead with release notes. Rashan.
Hello everyone. So for release notes, Alpha 3 was merged earlier this week, and then we also created a new PR for RC0. So that's been released, and we'll have hopefully some reviews on that soon. And then we're also still working to collect major themes. And that's all for our updates.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the updates, Rashan. Any questions for release notes team? Thank you. Moving ahead with comms, Carol.
Hi everyone. I think our current status main is yellow because the main release block that is in progress and we need to finish before the release. The future blocks, it was assigned with dates, and also the calendar with this date was shared with SIG docs. So I am sharing the project. Also, I sent the email to schedule the webinar and pre-release that is in progress to try to arrange the days and fix and everything. And I think will be my status. I don't know if you have questions or other points that maybe I am missing. I can hear you, Priyanka. You are mute again.
Oh, okay. I was saying I have an action item to respond to those emails, so I'll do that for you. Yeah, and thank you for the updates. If you need any help, again, please let us know. We can we can have the lead shadows maybe help you anywhere you need. Cool.
Yeah. No, thanks to Kat also, she helped us with the email format. And I am taking notes to maybe improve the handbook in the future to have these templates for the.
Thank you, Kat, for that. Okay. Any questions for comms team? If not, moving ahead with Jim for release branch management, or anyone else on the call for branch management. If not, I think the updates are more on the lines RC0 is live. We are working on currently setting up our CI dashboards for 129 release branch jobs. So that's some work in progress. I think PRs are already up and waiting for final approval or a round of review. Yeah, that's the update, I believe, from release branch management. And Sander, if you're on the call for Emirates update, Emirates advisor updates. No, I think Sander is not on the call. The updates are same, I believe. If you are working on a role lead succession, and if you have a nomination, please reach out to Sander, or any help you need there. Feel free to reach out to me or Sander or any of the lead shadows there. Also, the retrospective is scheduled. Second retrospective meeting is scheduled for December 7th. So add your agenda items to the document. Moving to myself. Before that, any questions for branch management or Xander? Yay, if there are any, you can note down. If not, my updates are same as branch management 1290 RC. 0 cut is live, and we are currently coordinating CI branch, release branch CI dashboards creation. So that's the current update from my end as well. I'm also working on the release theme and logo. Once I have more updates, I'll definitely share with the team here. So that's also a work in progress. And any questions for me? If not, final updates are from SIG scalability. Their current status is green. So with that, we are done for our team's update today. Any questions anyone has? They want to discuss on the recording, please feel free to do that. If not, thank you so much for joining today. We'll have our tomorrow burn down updates as Slack async updates, and Friday would be the APAC Friday regular meeting. We'll use that for our Friday burn down updates. So that's all. I'll go ahead and stop the recording.